Welcome back to our channel. Today we are at National Museum of Qatar. This is a beautiful exhibition of lights. Your brain to me, my brain to you. New large-scale, site-specific installation by internationally renowned Swiss artist Pipilotti Rest. The impressive video installation is the artist's first in the Middle East. This exhibition contains flashing lights that may cause discomfort and or trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy and other conditions with sensitivity to light. A key feature of the installation is the pixels that comprise 12,000 LED lights stuck on cables throughout the gallery for visitors to navigate.